Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. During Chinese New Year, there is one dish that we must eat. Yeah, we must eat. It is the Chinese pomfret. Now, what is the difference between Chinese pomfret and white pomfret? Well, basically, Chinese pomfret, if you want to look at it, the tail is much thicker. The white pomfret, the tail is actually sharper. Okay, and then Chinese pomfret, especially during Chinese New Year season, the meat will be a lot more meatier, meaning the meat will be more thicker and really nice. Really nice. So somehow in Taiwan they prefer white pomfret. Malaysia and I think Singapore as well, correct me if I'm wrong, we actually prefer Chinese pomfret during Chinese New Year. And nowadays a lot of people buy from online. I think I got this online as well. They vacuum packed for me and delivered to me at probably about 100 ringgit per kg. I think not so bad. This is a 600 gram one, good enough for my family of 4. Actually, it's already a little bit too big. Yeah. Why is it good for Chinese New Year? I think probably it's partly because of the shape, round shape. Chinese New Year, Chinese like everything which is round, and to us it symbolizes perfectness. Yeah, perfectness. So and 团团圆圆, unity. Yeah, 团团圆圆, everyone coming together. So I'm going to steam it and using a very traditional style, which is Teochew steam. So Teochew steam is going to be sourish. So what is the thing that really makes the Teochew steamed fish sourish? To be very frank, for so many years, I always think that the most important ingredient to make the Teochew steamed fish very sourish is the sour salted mustard green and also a little bit of tomato. But I was so wrong. Of course, you still need a bit of these two. This is actually the secret weapon that make your Teochew steamed fish very sour within minutes. This is salted sour plum. It looks like this. It looks like this in the bottle. Any brand also can. It is actually called salted plum. Even though it's called salted plum, but it's extremely sour. Especially the water, the brine here. I actually take out a little bit of 1 tablespoon of the brine together. So this is the thing that is going to make your Teochew steamed fish extremely sour. Okay, so what I do here is I'll actually put a few pieces of ginger at the bottom and few pieces on top, and sprinkle a little bit with a little bit of salt and make few slits on the side, and then we are going to steam this fish for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to move the fish over to another plate and continue steam with another 8 or 9 minutes. So of course, you can add a little bit more varieties into this particular dish. Most people will add the shiitake mushroom and tofu. Today, I so happen to have some fish ball from my prosperity bowl this morning. This is the remaining one, so instead of putting tofu, I put fish maw, and I have a little bit of scallop left, so I also put it in. And to give the broth a lot more full body flavor, use chicken stock. Alright, use chicken stock. I always got chicken stock at home. You can search for my chicken stock video, and also we need a bit of fried garlic, a bit of fresh coriander to garnish towards the end. So you want to prepare 1 boiling pot of water here, and be very careful with the steam. When the steam has already released, you can actually put the fish very carefully in the middle. Close the lid and steam it for 2 minutes under medium-high heat. 2 minutes after that, we will remove the fishy water and carry on. Right, this is after the first 2 minutes. Going to take it out. Oh, by the way, I used the rock sugar, so you are seeing a little bit of reddish here and there. That is actually the red color rock sugar. Now, why is it we want to steam 2 times because the first round I want to get rid of the fishy water. So I have already garnished 1 plate at the side. So I can move this over here. Remove this. So see, all this fishy water we don't want. Put it back without the fishy water. And this will be our serving plate as well. I'm going to add in the chicken stock. Right. Actually, we can put a little bit of the mushroom on top so that it can actually give it some added flavor. Okay. Right, and this is the sourish salted plum. Leave it there. Close this and let it continue steam for another about 8 to 9 minutes. Then it should be ready by then. While waiting for my fish, did you see something special here? I have 2 bay leaf here, 2 bay leaf there, using a cellophane tape. Because my kitchen, I don't know why is it, this couple of months my kitchen top always got ants here and there. So I could never get rid of it. And then one of my follower, I'm sorry I forgot what's your name, suggested me to put bay leaf at the place where there is usually a lot more ants. And right after I put the bay leaf few hours ago, until now I never seen a single ant anymore. It really works. Go and try it at home. It really works. Bay leaf, put a cellophane tape. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, this is about 10-11 minutes steaming under medium high heat. Yep, it is definitely cooked by now. If you are not sure, you can use a chopstick to poke it through. If you can poke through, then it is fully cooked. So be careful with the steam. After the steam is released, then you can actually very carefully take it out. So you can adjust this. Oh, later I'm telling you, I love eating the shiitake mushrooms that comes together with the Teochew steamed fish. Very nice. It soaks out the nice sourish flavor. Remove the ginger. I'm using 2 different kind of chopsticks. No wonder it's uneven. Okay. Garnish it with a little bit of fresh coriander and some fried garlic. Alright. Oh, can give it a bit of white pepper as well. Few dash of white pepper. Done. So here's our Teochew steamed pomfret. Alright, you can use any kind of fish to your own preference, but Chinese pomfret is really what we love having it during Chinese New Year. Okay, thanks for watching Apa's video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Bye bye.